Be ready with data file 1 and worksheet。你拎定你嘅 data file 1同埋 worksheet 出嚟未呢？好啦，未就嗱臨去拎啦。上次落堂之前，我哋應該講到嚟呢度。好啦，咁我哋繼續做埋去咯。Do you need to include the dates of arrival and departure？ 需唔需要加埋到達同埋離開日期呢？ Do you need to have any special request？ 有冇特別嘅要求呢？好啦，咁如果你唔記得嘅話，好簡單，睇翻 data file， 永遠記住唔肯定嘅時候揾翻 data file。記得呢，上次我哋係睇到 data file page 4有老闆嗰版啦 ，page 7有 Kylie 即係你老闆同 Adrian 嘅對話啦 ，page 8跟住仲有 page 9你同佢嘅 email 㗎。好啦，如果你唔記得咗呢，好應該睇一睇呢幾版。咁可能當你用幾分鐘睇完之後呢，你發覺你已經係識做添啦。Page 7呢一部分 Arrival date 21st of September 4 p.m. Departure date and time 27 of September 11 a.m. 咁好明顯就梗係要加落去啦。咁呢度自己寫翻 yes 同埋填翻 departure date and time 落去啦。跟住 any special request？ 咁首先呢，你要知道呢乜嘢係 special request 啊？我訂乜嘢房啊？標準房嗰啲唔係嚟㗎。好啦，咁你又睇一睇個 data file， 你就會發覺 page 7呢度佢話要 air-conditioned rooms with internet access、wireless 嘅 internet access 呢啲都係 special request 嚟㗎。咁所以你就喺其中一格度寫低air-conditioned rooms with internet access。咦，咁個 wireless 咁點啊？咁就應該寫為 air-conditioned rooms with wireless internet access， 就係咁啦。咁喺呢度你就自己寫翻低。咁仲有冇 special request 呢？俾得個格你梗係有啦，就係呢度啦。Quiet rooms。We want rooms that are far away from all entertainment facilities。咁所以你嘅 special request 就係 quiet rooms that are far away from all entertainment facilities。咁第9題都搞掂啦。咁跟住我哋一齊移師去 task 7b。上次我哋一齊已經完成咗第一部分。咁我哋而家移師落去第2段啦。My guest will arrive on。咁究竟你要寫啲咩呢？嗱，留一留意佢用 on 呢，好大機會寫一個日期㗎。At about，at 後邊呢，我哋寫一個時間㗎。咁而common sense 都話俾你聽，喂，你講完訂房，梗係講幾多號到幾多號離開同埋個時間啦。My guest will arrive on。好啦，頭先睇過就係 data file 嘅 page 7，係啦，咁呢度 arrive 21st of September at 4 p.m. and 29th of September 11 a.m. 好啦，咁我哋將個資料呢寫翻落封信度啦。My guest will arrive on the 21st of September at about 4 p.m. 咦，咁下邊係點啊？都係一樣啦，不過你今次寫 depart 啦。My guest will depart on 27 of September at about 11 a.m. 咁你自己睇翻個 data file 寫翻好落去啦。跟住下一段就應該去到 special request 啦。咁你講完你基本資料訂邊日之後，就講啲有咩特別要求啦。We would like to， 我哋唔係用 we want 嘅喎，我哋用 we would like to， 我哋想要啲咩房啊？咁又睇翻 data file。好啦，我哋跟住就係呢版啦。如果你仲記得呢，應該係呢一度啦。我哋要 air-conditioned rooms with internet access. I suppose wireless, right? How many nights will the students stay? 好啦，咁我上次呢記得提過你 air-conditioned rooms with internet access，有冷氣，有互聯網。I suppose wireless, right? 仲要係無線嘅添。 頭先我哋啱啱先提完啦，咁我哋應該係寫 We would like to request air-conditioned rooms with wireless internet access。除咗呢點之外呢，頭先我都提過啦 ，quiet rooms。We want rooms that are far away from all entertainment facilities。咁所以我哋另外都要寫 We would like to request quiet rooms that are far away from all entertainment facilities。好，咁我哋寫翻落去啦，呢兩個 special request。We would like to request air-conditioned rooms with wireless internet access。跟住就係 Also, we would like to request quiet rooms that are far away from entertainment facilities。跟住呢段，咦，仲寫啲咩呢？冇錯啦，心水清嘅同學就知道，仲有一樣嘢就係話要佢 confirm 同埋，如果冇房可唔可以幫你㗎？好啦，咁啊，心水清嘅同學都記得我哋咁樣睇上去嘅。咁我哋上次呢講到就係話 ，Please ask manager of hotel for the room rates per night。哦，參咁啲嘢啊，仲要問佢房價。Ask him to confirm the booking as soon as possible。要 confirm 啦 ，as soon as possible 同埋 room rates。跟住 ，What should I do if no vacancies？ 哦 ，ask him to give contact details of a suitable hotel in the same area。好啦，咁即係最尾嗰段咧，就問佢一啲 action 啊，記唔得 Miss Lai 講過，最尾嗰段 business letter 咧，一定係講 action 同埋俾聯絡資料佢。好啦，咁當你寫落去嘅時候咧，記住唔係照抄噶啦嚇。譬如好似呢度咁樣，Please ask the manager， 你就千祈唔好咁寫啦。Please give us the room rates per night， 咁啊完咗一點啦。跟住 I would be grateful， 你見到我俾咗 I would be grateful 你㗎 worksheet 嗰度 ，I would be grateful。咁你唔好寫 ask him to confirm the booking as soon as possible 喎。你話 I would be grateful if you could confirm the booking as soon as possible。咁啊完咗第二個 request。跟住第三個，你記得唔好就咁寫 just ask him to give you the contact details。你亦都唔好就咁話。Please give us the contact details。喂，你問人介紹第二間酒店俾你，梗係唔係啦？你要講清楚。If there are no vacancies， 如果冇位嘅話 ，please give me 唔好寫 give you 啊 ，the contact details of a suitable hotel in the same area。嗱，咁所以你見到咧呢度咧，其實你如果照抄就好奇怪㗎啦！哇，你 book 人哋間酒店又叫人哋介紹第二間酒店俾你，係嘛？咁所以一定要知道自己做緊啲乜嘢啦。雖然啲資料係好多，係好多位可以攞分，咁但係你一定咧就要知道有啲位咧係要改嘅，要知道意思嘅。好啦，咁我哋最尾都已經完成咗呢度啦。咁最尾埋尾應該識啦啩嚇。記唔記得啊 ？Business letter 最尾呢個 complimentary close 係用 yours sincerely， 因為你知佢個名㗎嘛。跟住你嘅簽名、你嘅名、你嘅 post。咦？如果你唔記得咗你個 post 嘅話，你應該去返 situation， 即是 data file 嘅第一版。好啦，咁啊，你個 post 係 assistant 啦，跟住 International Student Association。ISA 就係你個公司名，就要填返喺呢度啦。好啦，咁啊已經完滿啦。咁究竟你用邊種方法利用呢個 video 呢？無論如何，希望呢個 video 幫到你啦。Paper 3星期4考，加油，拜拜。